Feeling down and sleepy, no concentration, several episodes of dozing off, most likely you have been snoring last night or you had sleep apnea. While sleeping, brain uses oxygen to recover and repair. And if there is no enough supply of oxygen, next day the brain will not function fully as usual. Night laze uses the laser light through your mouth to tighten the throat tissue and let the air pass the airways without causing snoring. Join us to know how laser can help you stop snoring. Dr. Mahdi, a dental laser specialist.